In this video, I'm gonna show you how to block ads on Android phone without any ads blocker app. Do you hate seeing ads on your Android phone? Do they distract you from playing your favorite game or watching videos or even browsing the web? Ads can be annoying and invasive, but there is a way to get rid of them without installing any third-party apps. All you need to do is change a few settings in your phone's settings menu. But before I start showing the trick, here are some of the benefits of using this method to block ads. It is easy to do. Just a few taps on your phone's settings menu and you are done. It's free. You don't need to install or pay for any third-party apps. It's effective. This method blocks ads on all apps and websites, even those that are known to be difficult to block. Now talking enough, let's get started. First, on your Android phone, open Settings. On search input, type DNS and then tap on Private DNS. In Private DNS Provider hostname, type noas.liberdns.gr and save. Now you have a free Android built-in ad blocker.